In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make background transparent in Adobe Express. If you want to quickly remove the background from an image and keep only the main subject. Adobe Express makes the process very simple. This is especially useful for product images, profile graphics, thumbnails, presentations, or any design where you want a cleaner and more professional look. I'll walk you through the exact process in a clear and easy way so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the design or file where your image has been placed. Starting from your project helps you make edits directly in context, so you can immediately see how the transparent background will look with the rest of your design. Once your project is open, select the image you want to edit. Just click on the image so Adobe Express knows which element you want to work on. This step is important because the background removal tool only works on the image you currently have selected. If nothing seems to happen later, it usually means the image wasn't selected first, so it's always a good idea to confirm that before moving on. After that, go to the left editing panel and find the option called Remove Background. Click it to begin the process. Adobe Express will then analyze your image and automatically separate the subject from the background. This tool is designed to save time, so you don't need to manually erase anything yourself. At this point, give it a moment to process. Depending on your image and your connection speed, it may take a little time for Adobe Express to finish removing the background. During this part, just wait while the tool does the work automatically. In most cases, the result appears within a short moment. Once the process is complete, your image should now have a transparent background. That means only the main subject remains, and the previous background is removed. This makes it much easier to place your image on different colored backgrounds, layered designs, or branded layouts without any distracting edges behind it. And that's it. That's how to make a background transparent in Adobe Express. It's a fast, beginner-friendly tool that can instantly improve the look of your visuals. If you're working on designs that need a cleaner, more flexible image, this is one of the easiest ways to get it done.